Okay, then this is our tea.
Jen.
And this is sandwich.
This is for you.
They call this one it's carrot
This for
tea.
you.
Yeah, this is sandwich.
Egg sandwich, this one.
Yeah.
Egg sandwich.
You know, sometimes, madam, you look like what's the name of this girlfriend of Boy before? White,
Si ano?
Sin-
White.
cherry white.
Cherry white.
Yeah, see, look. Yeah, sometimes it
Yan.
look like a cherry white, right?
So
Anong
very
gamit mong camera dyan?
very beautiful.
Do you want my camera?
Yeah, I like your camera.
Yeah, right. It is
Hi, mga
beautiful.
YouTube.
Yes. Okay. This is it.
PB and
Slay
Slay
Chain.
Chain. We are here in Corniche.
Oh, very
This is
sweet,
our group.
madam. The tea is so sweet.
Delicious, madam.
Hindi na daw kasi kailangan tawag nun? Maglagay ng filter. Pag sobra daw ang filter,
Oo nga,
pangit.
pero maganda ang camera mo. Oo, sa cellphone siguro talaga yan.
Cellphone niya makamit.
Puti nga, see?
You are handsome here?
Yeah.
So
I'm look like
so it's meaningful
Blondie.
so meaningful you are not handsome, you are ugly?
I don't know.
Hindi ah.
Because
This camera is good.
a lot of
A lot of
ladies,
A lot of ladies look at
looking at me.
Sandwich.
Oh my goodness.
No?
Hi guys. Masarap oh.
Nilagay nila sa ano?